Bringing your smartphone into the bathroom may seem harmless, but experts warn that it poses a serious health risk. Many people use their phones on the toilet to send messages, scroll through social media, or pass the time. Surveys suggest that a large majority of young adults regularly take their phones into the bathroom, and this habit has likely increased over the years. However, few people consider the invisible dangers lurking on their screens after this routine. The bathroom is a breeding ground for bacteria and other pathogens that can easily transfer to your smartphone. Hygiene experts explain that water droplets, airborne particles, and microscopic contaminants circulate in the bathroom, settling on any available surface, including your phone. This means that every time you take your device into the restroom, it becomes a carrier for germs, some of which can be harmful. One of the most concerning risks comes from E. coli bacteria, which originate in the digestive system and are commonly found in fecal matter. While not all strains of E. coli are harmful, some can cause food poisoning, severe infections, and other health issues. The problem worsens when people fail to wash their hands properly after using the restroom. Studies show that many individuals do not adhere to proper hand-washing techniques or skip the step entirely. If they immediately grab their phone after flushing, bacteria that should have been washed away are transferred onto the device. This turns the phone into a potential vector for spreading germs, as people then touch their faces, eat food, or shake hands with others without realizing the contamination they are carrying. Public restrooms present an even greater risk, as they are used by multiple individuals and are more likely to harbor a variety of bacteria and viruses. However, the most concerning environments are hospital restrooms. Medical experts emphasize that hospitals can contain antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which are much harder to treat if they cause an infection. If someone uses their phone in a hospital restroom, they risk exposing themselves to these dangerous pathogens, which can linger on the device for hours or even days. Some might argue that the phone itself is not the issue, but rather poor hygiene habits. While this is partially true, the reality is that most people do not regularly disinfect their smartphones. Research has found that mobile devices often carry more bacteria than toilet seats, yet they are rarely cleaned as frequently. Even those who wash their hands after using the restroom may still expose themselves to bacteria when they pick up their unclean phone immediately afterward. Experts strongly advise against bringing phones into hospital bathrooms and recommend frequent disinfection of smartphones, especially for those who habitually use them in the restroom. Simple measures like wiping the screen with antibacterial wipes, using phone-safe UV sanitizers, or thoroughly washing hands before handling the device can reduce the risk. However, the most effective solution remains avoiding bathroom phone use altogether. The dangers of this habit extend beyond just hygiene concerns. Constant phone use in the bathroom can also contribute to long-term health issues. Prolonged sitting on the toilet while scrolling on a smartphone increases the risk of hemorrhoids and other digestive problems due to excessive strain on the rectal area. Additionally, excessive screen exposure in confined, poorly ventilated spaces can contribute to eye strain, posture issues, and even increased stress levels. Despite these risks, many people continue to use their phones in the restroom without considering the consequences. The convenience of entertainment or communication may seem harmless in the moment, but the long-term effects could be far more problematic than expected. The reality is that smartphones are high-touch surfaces that can easily accumulate harmful bacteria, and the habit of using them in bathrooms only increases the potential for contamination. For those who cannot resist bringing their phone into the bathroom, taking extra precautions is crucial. Washing hands thoroughly with soap and water, regularly sanitizing the phone, and minimizing direct contact between the device and contaminated surfaces can help reduce risks. However, the best course of action is simple: keep your phone out of the bathroom entirely. While it may require breaking a common habit, the benefits to personal hygiene and overall health far outweigh the temporary entertainment or convenience of using a phone on the toilet.